is so.
I'm from the Philippines.
From the Philippines.
Way from the Philippines.
Well, welcome.
The Philippine economy is looking good. It's currently the fastest growing economy in Asia.
The Philippine economy grew 6.9% last quarter.
As economic manager, NEDA's work tends to be highly technical. Madalas kasi puro numero, puro statistics, pero paano namin ito maipapaintindi sa ordinaryong tao?
We were given graphs of the historic GDP of decades from 80s, 90s. Then we realized that the GDP was always showing numbers between 0 to 8. And just so happens that in the major scale, there's Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti, and then Do, 8. Then we realized that, hey, we can use those data points as notes. For example, the first decade that we were looking at was the 80s. We used those data points as notes for the baseline
naman yun. Baseline.
of the verse.
Kaya nating lahat umangat. Ito ang tunog ng progreso. Tayo na at makisalo. Pataas ng pataas ang akyat. Kaya nating lahat umangat. Tignan mo, patuloy tayo sa pag-akyat. Kaya mo, kaya ko, kinaya natin noon. Kaya patuloy sa pagsulong hanggang